Hi, in this video, you'll learn how to test a login web application login scenario using Selenium with Python programming language. So in this test, we'll test Orange application login scenario. This test uses a page object model where the login page is created as a Python class which has several advantages. So let's run the test. Right click on the test and choose a Python test. So this will log in to the web application automatically and logins to the application and test the dashboard page. So this is everything automatically done by the Selenium WebDriver using a Firefox driver. You can see that the test has run and the test is uh, passed successfully. Okay, the web application test the web application called Orange HRM. Orange HRM is an open source HR management application. um, So let's log in and see the functionality of the web application. The login test will actually test the login scenario and verifies the dashboard page. So Orange HRM is an open source application for employee management, mostly used for HR professionals for managing the employees in an organization. It actually contains modules like leave management, time management, recruitment management, and employee performance management, etc. Okay. A page object is a normal Python class which denotes a web application page. Okay, so in this page object is for Orange HRM application login page. So a page object contains web variables and methods that denotes the web elements, and the methods are the actions that perform on the web element. So if you see this page object, it has three variables and identified by a name locating mechanism. Let's see how we can locate these objects on the actual login page. So this is the page that the test interacts with. So to identify the web elements on the page, so this web page has a username, password, and a login button, and links like forgot your password. So to identify the we can use the web developer tools to inspect these web elements to know how we can identify and interact with the web elements. So click on the inspect button here. So I'm going to click on this inspect button and mouse over to the web element where I want to know the further details of this web element. So click on it, and here you can see we can identify this using name equal to username. So that is where by.name is the locating mechanism and the username. So let's inspect the password field. Click on the inspect, mouse over on the field and click on it to check. See, here we can identify this object uniquely on the page using name equal to password. So that's where we have given by.name equal and the attribute name is the password. So there's another login button here. So let's see how we can. Here in the class, in the test we are using by.class underscore name. So just click on the inspect button and mouse over on the login button and click on the login button. So it has several classes, CSS class, and so in the we can identify using oxt hyphen button. So if you see that here is the oxt hyphen button. So this is how we can uniquely identify the objects on the web page. Once you are done, you can close the web developer tools. And coming to this page object, this has variables of the web element locating mechanisms and a few methods that interact with these web elements on the page. So if you can see, set username method actually sets the username provided as a parameter to the method, and click login underscore button method will click on the button specified by the login. So it will click on the login button, and the login method actually login will perform the login action on the web application. Okay. This test is part of Selenium Python beginner course. We'll provide the links of the course and the application and other related material in the description box. Please check it out in the description. And if you like the channel, please subscribe it. And thanks for watching.